What's up everybody, it's JHF, and let's be real, who doesn't want to double their money? In 2024, it's totally possible, even if you're starting from scratch. In this video, I'm sharing 10 secret tips that most people don't even think about, but they're the key to unlocking serious financial growth. We're talking about smart investments, side hustles that actually make bank, and strategies to keep your hard-earned cash working for you. Stick around to the end, because I'm dropping some serious knowledge bombs that could change your financial life forever. Before you even think about investing a single dollar, we need to talk about setting financial goals. This is like planning a road trip. You wouldn't just hit the gas without knowing where you're going, right? The same goes for your money. Do you want to buy a house, retire early, travel the world? Write down your goals, make them specific, and put a timeline on them. Trust me, having that clarity will light a fire under you and keep you motivated on your journey to doubling your money. Plus, when you know what you're working towards, it's easier to make smart financial decisions that align with your big picture. Setting financial goals is not just about writing down what you want to achieve. It's about creating a detailed plan that outlines the steps you need to take to get there. Start by assessing your current financial situation. How much do you earn? How much do you spend? What are your assets and liabilities? Understanding where you stand financially is the first step in setting realistic and achievable goals. Next, categorize your goals into short-term, medium-term, and long-term. Short-term goals might include saving for a vacation or paying off a small debt. Medium-term goals could be buying a car or saving for a down payment on a house. Long-term goals often involve retirement planning or funding your children's education. Once you have your goals categorized, break them down into smaller, manageable steps. This makes it easier to track your progress and stay motivated. For example, if your goal is to save $20,000 for a down payment on a house in 5 years, calculate how much you need to save each month to reach that goal. Remember, setting financial goals is a dynamic process. Your goals may change over time as your circumstances and priorities evolve. Regularly review and adjust your goals to ensure they remain relevant and achievable. By setting clear, specific, and time-bound financial goals, you create a roadmap to success. This roadmap not only guides your financial decisions, but also provides a sense of direction and purpose. So, take the time to set your financial goals today and start your journey towards financial success. I know. Budgeting sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry. But here's the thing, it's the foundation of everything. Without a budget, you're essentially flying blind with your finances. Think of it like this, your budget is your financial GPS guiding you towards your goals. Just like a GPS helps you navigate the roads, a budget helps you navigate your financial journey. It helps you track your income and expenses so you can see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. This awareness is crucial because it allows you to make informed decisions about your spending. And no, you don't need a fancy app or spreadsheet. A simple notebook works just fine. The act of writing things down can actually make you more mindful of your spending habits. The key is to be consistent and honest with yourself. Consistency ensures that you are regularly checking in on your financial health, and honesty helps you face the reality of your spending habits. Set clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having specific goals can keep you motivated. Consider using the envelope system, where you allocate cash for different expenses. This can help you stick to your budget and avoid overspending. Review your budget regularly. At the end of each month, take some time to see how well you've stuck to your budget and make adjustments as needed. Once you have a handle on your spending, you'll be amazed at how much money you can free up to invest and grow. This is where the magic happens. Your money starts working for you. Educate yourself on investment options. The more you know, the better decisions you can make about growing your wealth. Celebrate your milestones. Every step you take towards financial freedom is worth celebrating. It keeps you motivated and reminds you of why you started budgeting in the first place. Share your journey with others. Talking about your budgeting successes and challenges can provide support and accountability. Remember, budgeting is not about restricting yourself. It's about empowering yourself to make the best financial decisions. With a solid budget, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. Alright, let's talk about making that money work for you in the stock market. It's not just about putting your money somewhere and hoping for the best. It's about making informed decisions and understanding the market trends. Now, I'm not talking about getting rich quick schemes. Those are for suckers. These schemes often promise high returns with little effort, but they rarely deliver and can lead to significant losses. I'm talking about long-term strategic investing. This means doing your homework, understanding the companies you're investing in, and being patient. It's about building a diversified portfolio that can weather market fluctuations. The stock market has historically outperformed other investments over time, and it's a proven way to build wealth. While there are ups and downs, the overall trend has been upward, making it a reliable option for long-term growth. Don't be intimidated if you're new to this. There are tons of resources available to help you get started. From online courses to investment books and financial advisors, you have plenty of options to educate yourself. You can also join investment clubs or attend seminars to learn from experienced investors. Networking with others can provide valuable insights and tips. You can start small with just a few $100s and gradually increase your investments as you become more comfortable. The key is to start early and be consistent. Even small regular investments can grow significantly over time. Remember, the power of compound interest means that your money can grow exponentially. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. So, don't let your money sit still. Put it to work in the stock market and watch it grow. With the right strategy and a bit of patience, you can achieve your financial goals. Remember that saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? Well, it applies to investing too. Diversification is key to managing risk. Instead of putting all your money into a single stock or asset class, spread it out across different investments. This could include stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments like cryptocurrency. The idea is that if one investment performs poorly, the others can help cushion the blow. It's like having a financial safety net. Let's be honest, saving money consistently can be tough. Life happens, unexpected expenses pop up, and it's easy to fall off track. That's where automating your savings comes in. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts each month. The money will be set aside before you even have a chance to spend it, making it a painless way to build wealth over time. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Look, I get it. Managing your finances can feel overwhelming, especially if you're not sure where to start. That's where a financial advisor can be a game changer. A good advisor will take the time to understand your financial goals, risk tolerance, and overall situation. They can help you create a personalized financial plan, choose the right investments, and make adjustments along the way. Think of it as having a personal financial coach in your corner, guiding you towards success. If you're serious about doubling your money, increasing your income streams is a must. Gone are the days of relying solely on a 9-to-5 job. The gig economy is booming, and there are countless side hustles you can start to bring in extra cash. Whether it's freelancing, driving for a ride-sharing service, or starting an online business, the possibilities are endless. The best part? The extra income you generate can be invested, accelerating your journey towards financial freedom. Debt is like a financial anchor, weighing you down and preventing you from reaching your full potential. High-interest debt, in particular, can eat away at your income and make it nearly impossible to get ahead. Make it a priority to pay down your debts as quickly as possible, starting with the ones with the highest interest rates. Consider strategies like the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to stay motivated and track your progress. As you chip away at your debt, you'll free up more money to invest and grow your wealth. Taxes. We all have to pay them, but there are ways to minimize your tax burden and keep more of your hard-earned money. That's where tax-advantaged accounts come in. Accounts like 401(k)s and IRAs offer tax benefits that can help you save more for retirement. With a 401(k), your contributions are tax-deferred, meaning you don't pay taxes on them until you withdraw the money in retirement. IRAs offer similar benefits, and there are different types to choose from based on your individual needs. The world of finance is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to make continuous financial education a priority. Stay informed about market trends, new investment opportunities, and changes in tax laws. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow reputable financial experts online. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions and adapt to changing market conditions. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. So there you have it, 10 secret tips to help you double your money in 2024. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick schemes or following the latest financial fads. It's about setting clear goals, making smart investments, and being consistent with your financial habits. Start small, stay focused, and don't be afraid to seek help when you need it. The journey to financial freedom might not be easy, but it's definitely worth it. Now go out there and crush your financial goals.